Good afternoon. Welcome to TMI Truck in Norfolk, Virginia. This is one of our 2020 Mack Granite roll-off trucks. Setback axle, GR64B, 425 horsepower, Mack 11-liter MP7 engine with a Galbreath U5 hoist. As you can see, diamond plate toolbox, Mack 46,000 pound rears, aluminum rims, 315 tires all the way around. Pioneer rack and pinion tarp system, steel fenders, outside controls, 5-spool valve, not the 3-spool valve, so it operates faster. Allison automatic transmission. Again, this is 425 horsepower. You do get remote diagnostics from Mack Truck and remote over-the-air programming. This truck is in stock, ready to work. Give us a call at 757-547-7151 or look us up on the web at www.tmitruck.com. Thank you.